Needless to say, the next harmonized election, which is indeed the only next available opportunity for a constitutional and democratic change of government in Zimbabwe, is coming in 2023. The people of Zimbabwe cannot, therefore, allow themselves to be misled by a hodgepodge of thoroughly undemocratic, anti-constitutional personalities and political formations in our midst who, in cahoots with their external sponsors, are seeking to undermine our constitutional democracy through coup rumors and their other subversive agendas. As the discerning people of Zimbabwe now know too well, these purveyors of evil pride themselves in actively inviting and bringing misfortune, such as economic sanctions, prevention of economic revival and development, promotion of mass street chaos, and calls for military intervention to our country, while gleefully trying to promote anti-constitutionalism and illegality. Government will do everything within its power to expose and bring to book these undemocratic subversive forces which we have, perhaps for too long, allowed to fester and operate freely in our midst under the guise of legitimate opposition. Lest some among us may further forget, our country has, since the onset of the externally sponsored regime change onslaught in 2000, been and continues to endure the throes of hybrid warfare. This is, by definition, a strategy which employs political destabilization blended with an ever-present threat to escalate to conventional warfare, irregular warfare, including terrorism and insurgency, as well as cyber warfare, along with other influencing methods such as fake news, intrusive diplomacy, economic warfare, illegal sanctions, currency manipulation, lawfare, and foreign electoral intervention to destabilize a targeted country. Indeed, the rumors of an imminent military coup, alongside the incensed incidences of faked abductions, torture, and forced disappearance, and claims about a government of national unity or a national transitional authority in the making, all form an integral part of this kind of warfare.